Hey everybody, it's your chiropractic personal trainer, Dr. Piggott, and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about breathing, or the lack thereof. I've been noticing when I'm training clients that clients have a difficult time maintaining their breathing through strenuous activity. Either they're not breathing enough, or they're breathing incorrectly. So in today's video, I'm going to go over 3 different techniques that one can employ on a daily basis to help them improve their oxygen carrying capacity, and above all, help them to learn to breathe more efficiently. Before we get into the techniques, let's talk about something simple. Where are you breathing from? Your nose or your mouth? Your nose isn't just there to smell things, it's actually your body's built-in air conditioning system. Your nose filters dust, it warms cold air, it humidifies dry air. It even produces nitric oxide, a molecule that helps blood vessels relax and improves oxygen delivery throughout the body. When you breathe through your mouth all day long, you bypass all of that. Mouth breathing is often associated with dry mouth, poor sleep, snoring, increased anxiety, neck tension, shallow breathing, reduced exercise efficiency. Here's a quick test. Close your mouth. Can you comfortably breathe through your nose for 1 minute while sitting quietly? If not, that's something worth improving. When babies breathe, their stomach rises. Watch a sleeping infant. Their belly gently moves up and down. Most adults breathe with their shoulders. Their chest rises, their neck muscles tighten, their shoulders shrug. That isn't how we're designed to breathe. Your diaphragm is the primary breathing muscle. Think of it like a parachute underneath your lungs. When it contracts, it moves downward. Your lungs expand. Your belly gently rises. That allows you to take a deeper, more efficient breath while using less energy. When you breathe only into your chest, accessory muscles in your neck and shoulders do much of the work. That's one reason stressed people often complain about a tight neck and tight upper back. Here's how to practice. Lie on your back comfortably. Place one hand on your chest, place the other hand on your stomach. Now slowly inhale through your nose. Let your belly move into your hand. Your chest should remain relatively quiet. Exhale slowly through your nose. Repeat for 5 to 10 breaths. Don't force the movement. Let the diaphragm do the work. The benefits of using your diaphragm to breathe helps to reduce stress hormones, improve posture, increase oxygen efficiency, reduce neck tension, improve exercise endurance, help lower your heart rate. This is my favorite breathing exercise because it forms the foundation for everything else. Now let's talk about one of my favorite relaxation techniques. It's called the 4-7-8 breathing. The purpose isn't to fill your lungs as much as possible. The purpose is to slow your nervous system down so you can regenerate. Breathe in quietly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Then slowly exhale through your mouth for 8 seconds. Then repeat up to 4 to 5 times. This type of breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system. That's your body's rest and recover mode. It's especially helpful if you're anxious, you're having trouble falling asleep, you're feeling overwhelmed, your heart feels like it's racing. Think of it like pressing the reset button on your nervous system. The third technique is called pursed lip breathing. If you've ever watched someone with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, emphysema, or asthma, you may have seen them naturally doing this. But it's not just for people with lung disease. Athletes use it also. People recovering from exercise also use it. Anyone who becomes short of breath can benefit from this technique. The way you perform this technique is you're going to inhale slowly through your nose and then gently breathe out through pursed lips. Just like if you were trying to blow out birthday candles or cooling a spoonful of hot soup. Exhale slowly. The exhale should take about twice as long as the inhale. If you breathe in for 2 seconds, breathe out for 4. Why does this work? It allows trapped air to escape more efficiently. It slows your breathing rate. It reduces shortness of breath. It also helps you stay calmer during exercise. The pursed-lipped breathing technique is great if walking up a hill, climbing stairs, recovering between exercise sets, or feeling winded. And above all, if you're under stress or feel anxiety, this technique can help calm you down. So here's the simple takeaway. If you're trying to improve your everyday breathing, start with diaphragmatic breathing. If you're feeling stressed or having trouble sleeping, practice the 4-7-8 breathing. If you're short of breath during activity, use the pursed lip breathing. Remember, breathing isn't just about getting air into your lungs. It's about helping every cell in your body receive oxygen efficiently. Something as simple as changing how you breathe can improve your energy, your workouts, your posture, your sleep, and even how calm you feel throughout the day. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Every week I talk about fitness, chiropractic care, movement, nutrition, and practical ways to help you stay active as you get older. And I'd love to hear from you. Do you notice that you're mostly a mouth breather or a nose breather? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.